Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on DOOGEE S Punk. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and now you have to select parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Now click on use pattern and you have to enter your log screen pattern. And here you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And enter your password. Now click I agree. Then click accept. And now click on supervise. Now click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now you have to scroll down and click next. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.